today my dad told me his clamp broke. So we're gonna try and fix it. Okay, got one nail out, just need to get the others out too. No, not that. So some mess inside. Well, there's a lot of dust in there, and I guess this is the piece that broke. Well, my dad will fix it. First, we should wipe off all this dust, like dust, really thick ones. So, my dad's gonna glue it now. Every time this little piece of plastic breaks, you're gonna attach a nut and bolt to it. Now I'm gonna attach this nut and fix it back. Oops. So put this nut in. Okay, now time to fix it. I'll just put one nail and easy. Just get done. What? Then what? And here's the second one. Done! Both of our clamps broke. So my dad fixed it. So let's see if it works. Oh, and here are the nails, so you guys can know we fixed it. So let's test it. My hand hurts so much. Now my dad's gonna test to see if the pieces of wood move. Do they move?
No.
My dad said they don't move, so we did it. Oh yeah, baby. If your clamps broke like ours, don't throw it away. Try fix it. Okay, guys? And by the way, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Bye, guys!